Hello everyone, today I'm doing a review of these Paperstyle notebooks made by the company Concess. So Concess is a Swedish company and they make these signature style notebooks that are called actually Paperstyle, and they come in a lot of different colors. And I have two here. One is a 256 ruled pages, and then one is a blank one with 128 pages. So let's check out this one first. As I said, it's blank pages, 128. The size is an A5, which means it is 5.8 by 8.3 inches or 14.8 by 21 centimeters. So let's take this off. Right here, it is a cloth cover. It's beautiful linen cover. This color is called denim. We have the logo embossed in the back here. It has squared edges. It is stitched and bound, as you can see right there. There's a little bit of overhang here between like the paper and the cover. As you can see, it's probably like 3 or 4 millimeters right there. And it feels really nice. It has this nice linen texture to it, as I said, just like an actual book would. Now let's open it up. We have a white cover page, and then it has 128 blank pages. There's no bookmark, there is a bookmark, but there is no pocket in the back, and no elastic strap. Just a bookmark that is actually really nice. It's this shiny gray color. Looks really nicely made. And the whole notebook feels really nicely done. Like, it feels like really great quality the way it's actually manufactured. Like, it doesn't feel like it would fall apart anytime soon. It's slightly off-white paper. It's pretty white, just slightly off-white. And it actually has some tooth to it. I don't know if the camera picks this up at all. So this would make a great notebook for some sketching. It's not as much, it doesn't have as much tooth as a sketchbook, but it does have a little bit of tooth to it. And it gives you a little bit more feedback when you're writing on it. So let's check out my writing sample. Here we have a pencil, a ballpoint pen, 0.4 millimeter gel pen, 0.7 millimeter gel pen, and then fountain pen, the Pilot Metropolitan medium nib diamond marine ink. And there's not really any feathering that I can tell. As I said, you do get a little bit more feedback when you write on this paper than super smooth paper. And then in the back, there is some ghosting, but there's actually no bleed through. So this is 90 GSM paper. And I noticed some slight imperfection in the paper, like those little specks right here. Don't really bother me, but I don't know if that will bother you. I don't think it's recycled paper, but it's FSC certified paper. So it is, actually says it right here, made from natural fibers right there. So there you have it. It is acid free, age resisting. So this is, as I said, 128 pages blank. Let's check out this one. Here's 256 pages, and this one's ruled. Let's take this off. This one's called, the color is called Tea Rose. It's also available in lots of different colors. If you want darker colors, it's also available like black and gray and all kinds of marine, I think, is also available. So again, stitched and bound, really nicely done. Feels like really great quality, really well made. And then as you can see here, like, there's no glue, no imperfections, no nothing. Again, squared edges, white cover page. There is some ink markings right here from when they probably when they printed the lines on it. It's dark gray lines, 7 millimeter ruling, and there's a margin around the edges here, as you can see at the top, a little bit more on the sides, and then at the bottom. So A little bit more pronounced lines than some other notebooks, but still looking good in my opinion. Again, this one also has bookmarks, actually 2 here. You have a white one. It's quite long actually. They really hang over, so if that's too long for you, you might be able to cut them a little bit. Again, really nicely made, the shiny fabric. And then on the gray one it actually says Paperstyle on it, which I think is a nice touch. And again, the writing sample. This paper actually feels, surprisingly enough, slightly smoother than the blank one. So it gives you a slightly smoother writing experience. Again, pencil, ballpoint pen, 0.4mm gel pen, 0.7mm gel pen, and then the Paperstyle medium ink, medium nib diamond marine ink. And I noticed this paper actually is slightly more absorbent when you write on it than the blank one. Again, slight difference there. And so it will look a little bit darker. I don't see any feathering though, as far as I can tell. And then the back, again, a little bit of ghosting, but absolutely no bleed through. So this paper is definitely fountain pen friendly, and it is also 90 GSM paper in the blank, in the lined one. And this notebook actually lies really nice and flat. When you open it up, it's stitched and bound, so you know, a little bit of breaking into it, it lies really flat. Actually, flatter than that one with 128 pages. There you need a little bit more force to make it lie flat. So, and it won't totally as much as this one does, as you can see. So what I really like about these is that they look like actual books. So when you buy a hardcover written book, fiction, non-fiction, when you take off the sleeve, the dust cover, this is what an actual book looks like. So I kind of like that. It does have that look to it. I don't see that every day. So again, this slightly. And little thing I noticed, this one has an O right there, and this one doesn't. So slight difference there too. So that's what I really like about these, that they look like actual books. And the cover is really nice. Is linen cloth that, you know, has this linen texture to it. And I think they're really great notebooks. If you want a notebook that looks like an actual book, I think this is the one to go with. They're fountain pen friendly. You have plenty of writing space, especially in the thicker one. 256 pages. And yeah, so those are my 2 cents on the Paperstyle notebooks made by the company Concess. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more notebook videos, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you.